Yeah. Class 10, question number 6. Already I completed up to 4th, 5th one. Tomorrow I will do 6th. Right? It is interesting. So that I come to the question number 6. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meter more than the shorter side. Right? If the larger side is 30 meter more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. What plane figure they discussed in the question? Right? Rectangle. Right? The plane figure they discussed as rectangle. See? 60 and then 30. I am going to draw a rectangle. Right? The diagonal, right? The diagonal. What it is given in the question, you read again, right? The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meter more than the shorter side, and the larger side is 30 meter more than the shorter side. Both the thing they are comparing with the shorter side, but they didn't give anything regarding shorter side. If nothing is not given, you have to consider as a variable. I taught you, right? So, rectangle we did. Let which is not given or which they are expecting or which they compare, that you consider as a variable, right? Let the shorter side be x centimeter, right? It is a single variable format, right? Here two things they are comparing with the shorter side. That's why I took shorter side be x centimeter. Then what it is given in the question? The rectangular field, the diagonal is 60 centimeter more than. That word is important, you see. 60 meter more than. More than means I told you, right? What symbol? Yeah, very good. Plus, right? 60 plus. 60 plus diagonal equal to 60 plus x. More than means the word more than is replaced by basic operation as positive. Less than means negative. Product means multiplication, right? 60 plus x meter. Then they said larger side. This is your larger. This one you consider as x. It is given as 60 plus x. Now, larger side B or larger side equal to. What it is given? Larger side 30 meter more than. Here also they represented more than. More than means addition. Larger side equal to 30 plus x equal to 30 plus x meter. Everything, the total, the whole statement you convert it into the three simplest format. See here rectangle, this is 30 plus x. What it comes to your mind? It is a right triangle. Why I am saying it is a right triangle? You know, in a rectangle, the angle is equivalent to 90 degree, right? Right triangle. Right triangle means what it comes to your mind, children? Yeah, Pythagoras, right? Pythagoras. Pythagoras, what he says? You should not say AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. That is not Pythagoras, right? Pythagoras means the square of the hypotenuse equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. That is Pythagoras. Hereafter anybody if they ask what is Pythagoras, you should not say AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. You have to say the statement. The square of the hypotenuse equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. Square of the hypotenuse equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. According to the question, how to write? With the sum square of the hypotenuse, that is 60 plus x the whole square equal to 30 plus x the whole square plus x square, right? By Pythagoras, see here, if you want, you should label it A, B, C, D. But we are going to discuss only the right triangle. Pythagoras, what can you write? AC square, because hypotenuse I represented as AC, so that I use the word as letter as AC. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Right, AC is diagonal. Diagonal, what unit I said? Diagonal. 60 plus x, larger side, larger is AB, 30 plus x. Now you see, AC square can be replaced by 60 plus x the whole square. AB square can be replaced by what? 30 plus x the whole square. BC square, very good, x square, right? The whole statement, look at the beauty of the sum, right? You should enjoy, you should like, right? Then only you feel maths is easy. Then 60 plus x the whole square equal to 30 plus x the whole square plus x square. Now we are going to apply the identity. A plus B. Whatever thing you people used in the sum, you have to write it in the right side. That habit you should develop. A square plus 2AB plus B square. Then use the identity and replace your A and B, right? 60 plus x the whole square. What it is? 60 square plus x square, that is A square plus B square. If you feel it is not suit, better you have to write like a formula format. 2 into 60, 120x. 2 into 60 into x, 120x plus x square equal to 30 square plus 2 into 30 into x, 60x plus x square plus x square. You don't forget, right? This x square comes under this format. Already one x square is there. Now you see, in between equal, if the coefficients are same, the symbol is also same, you can cancel. Again I repeat, in between equal, the coefficient and the sign is same, you can cancel the term. Now 60 square means 3600 plus 120x equal to 30 square 900 plus 60x plus x square. The whole statement you are going to convert into a quadratic equation. Now you see, shift all the term to the side. What you will get? X square. The plus 120x will move to that side. Minus 120 plus 60x minus 120x plus 900. See carefully, I am shifting this term to that side. Minus 3600, right? Everything I shifted, the right hand side it become 0. Now I arrived quadratic equation. Now you see x square plus 60x minus 120x minus 60. Positive, negative, do the subtraction and put the greater number symbol. Positive, negative. Do the subtraction and put the greater number symbol. You have to be very careful while doing the calculation. Now I am going to make it as a simplest. Right. X square minus 60x, because plus 60 minus 120 minus plus 900 minus 3600. So what you will get? 2700 equal to 0. If you want, you see this. Plus 60x minus 120 minus 60. 900 minus 3600 minus 2700. See. Now, you should apply factorization method or quadratic formula, which you feel comfortable, you should adapt. Sum equal to minus 60, product equal to minus 2700. Write the possibilities of 2700 in the right side. 9 into 300, right? 1 into 2700, 3 into 900. Any other possibility? If you want, you should use the L-shaped division. The number ends with 5. Sorry, the number ends with 0, so you can divide by 5. You should use only the prime numbers. So 5 5s are 25, remaining 20, 4s are 0. Again the number ends with 0, it is divisible by 5. 1, 0, because 4 it does not divide by 5, 48. Then add the number, or you can apply 2. Here when you add 9, so 3 3s are 9, 36. 3, 1, 2, again 3, 2, 4, 2. When you arrive the prime number, that's all, the division is over. Now you compile 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 3s are 36. See how I am grouping. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 2s are 36. 5 5s are 25, 25 into 3, 75. This is also one possibility. Or see here, 5 2s are 10, 10 into 9, 90. 10 into 9, 90. How I am grouping the term? You have to be careful. 5 2s are 10. These 3 into 3 I took. Sorry. Right. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 5 2s are 10. So 9 into 10, 90. Then which is left over here? You see 5, 3, 2. 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30. See, you people used to do L-shaped division, then you write the possibilities, right? Which is apt whenever you select the possibility. Several times I discussed, right? Whenever you select the possibility, based on your sum, you have to select. Sum is negative, product is also negative, bigger number negative, right? Bigger number negative, smaller number positive. Bigger number negative, smaller number positive. Negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, right? Here, positive, negative. You have to be very careful, right? Bigger number positive, sorry, I committed mistake, sorry. Bigger number negative, smaller number positive. Sum is negative, product is negative, bigger number negative, smaller number positive. Which is apt here, you see, based on your sum only I told you to select the possibility. While seeing itself you can understand which is apt. Minus 30 plus minus 90 plus 30, because we did several, we did so many sums, right? So x minus 90 x plus 30 equal to 0. You have to equate each and every term, you have to equate with 0. So x is equal to 90, x is equal to minus 30. You know the reason we are rejecting the term. Why we are rejecting? Yeah, measurement cannot be negative. Measurement can't be negative. See, what are the things I used to write it in the right side? That habit you should develop. Now, what is the shorter side? The length of the shorter side is 90 meter, right? Shorter side. Finally, you should highlight the answer. Shorter side equal to 90 meter, right? Diagonal. Diagonal equal to what they given? 60 more than shorter. 60 more than shorter. That we wrote it as 60 plus x. Here your x is 90. So 60 plus 90 equal to 150 meter. Larger. Larger side equal to what they said? 30 meter more than. 30 meter more than. 30 plus x. 30 meter more than the smaller side or shorter side, which is equal to 30 plus 90 is equal to 120 meter. See, again I will move to the previous. See here, diagonal is 60 plus x, larger is 30 plus x, shorter is x. We will come to the end. Shorter is 90 because x you got it as 90. Diagonal is 60 plus x, so 60 plus 90, 150. Larger is 30 plus x, we wrote 30 plus x, that is 30 plus 90, 120 meter, right? Now, I hope you people understood. We will see you tomorrow.